I have the best of the Dermstore Sun Smart Edit. So if you want to see what's in this bag, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's over there just staring at me like I'm so bored. Why don't you do something different? And Chloe's doing homework, so you know I'm being watched and judged, but otherwise alone today. If you're new, welcome though. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings and baggings, get ready with me's, all kinds of fun stuff like that. I like to give you all the information that you might want to know about a product, so that if you want to choose either what I've purchased or a one-time purchase of an item, you'll have all the facts beforehand. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this was, I had a discount code for 15% off. So I paid $73.70 for this. It is regularly $75. It has like 100 and then slash through 75, save $25. 25% off, but I think on top of that I got another 15%, and it says it has a $208 value. There are 5 full-size items and 1 deluxe sample in here. So I'm going to pull out the first one, which is Dermstore dermatologist-recommended. You would expect to see L to MD. Now, as I've told you in my other videos, this brand is not considered cruelty-free because they do allow testing where required by law, and they sell on mainland China. They are an SPF company. That's their thing. And SPF, if not made on mainland China, must be tested on animals per their policy. So, as I've said in previous videos, just stop selling there, Elta. I do believe that beauty should be available to everybody, but I also believe that it should not come at the cost of an animal. So if we don't make it available in that area, perhaps things will start to change. Okay, so this is their regular sheer broad spectrum SPF sunscreen. It is sweat and water resistant, but like any other sunscreen, you want to apply that regularly throughout the day. Don't think it's a one and done. And this is valued at $38. It does say it layers smoothly under makeup with no white cast, but there's lots of other things out there that layers nicely with no white cast that doesn't test on animals. Next is Paula's Choice. This is a 5% vitamin C sheer moisturizer with algae aminos for all skin types. And this is 60 fluid ounces, full size. It retails for $45, however, is currently on sale for $31.50 on their website. I don't know for how long that will last though. As of June 7th, that is the sale price. So it contains 5% vitamin C for supercharged protection, visibly brightens and helps prevent discoloration, and is weightless hydration with a sheer finish. It uses a ginger-derived Omni antioxidant zingerone that's going to reduce and help prevent damage from the look of discoloration. Algae aminos derived from red microalgae that's going to enhance UV protection. And it's also going to work below the skin surface to strengthen and protect. And then there are 3 forms of vitamin C that are going to boost the SPF for multi-level brightening for a healthier and more radiant look. And Paula's Choice is not tested on animals. SPF tested on animals, SPF not. See how that works out though? I'm just saying. Next, by Color Science, which is another cruelty-free brand, as well as having many mineral-based products that are 100% vegan. So love this. Again, both SPF 50 This one, cruelty free. This is a $48 value. It is ultra lightweight and it's going to blend seamlessly. It has a non-nano zinc oxide with exceptional hydration that's going to leave your skin feeling velvety soft. An EnviroScreen technology for a comprehensive environmental defense from UVA, UVB, HEV, which is blue light, infrared, free radicals, and pollution. It's a barely there sunscreen that has no white cast due to their Invisiplex technology. There's also nourishing antioxidants, soothing bisabolol, and hydrating silver ear mushroom extract that's going to work from within to improve your appearance. This is vegan, paraben-free, and fragrance-free. So another great item in here. All right, yes, Supergoop. And I think this is really what drew me to this because I love Supergoop. It is dermatologist tested. It is cruelty-free. Look at that little bunny there. Silicone-free for dry and normal skin, easily absorbing, rich texture, hydrating formula. This is an SPF of 40, but I do use their SPF 50 serum that is tinted. So these are going to go hand in hand together. This is a $48 value. It has 3% avobenzene, 6% homosalate, 5% octisalate, and 1.5% octosyrline. It's a soft cream with a natural finish. It's nourishing and intensely hydrating. It's so cute. So it's just gonna be kind of a scoop out. It has Ecotin, which is a ceramide, and that defends skin from oxidative stress caused by blue light, radiation, and pollution. It has ceramides, which are known to help restore skin's weakened moisture barrier. Algae extract, which is rich in skin essential lipids and amino acids to nourish the skin. And it says 100% of users agreed their skin felt more hydrated. 98% agreed that it felt immediately nourishing on the skin, and many people said it felt softer and more radiant, their skin. Next, by Vacation, is their classic spray. This is an SPF of 30 and this is 6 ounces. It retails on their website for $19 and is a Best of Beauty Allure magazine winner for 2022. It is Hawaii Act 104 compliant. It has a continuous spray technology. It is formulated without PGs or parabens. It is Leaping Bunny certified and vegan, dermatologist tested, allergy tested, and sensitive skin tested. It is transparent on all skin tones and has Vacation's signature scent, which is the 80s beach, pretty much. Like a coconut, banana, Bande de Soleil, lycra. It smells like the beach in the 80s. And it has coconut oil, aloe vera, banana extract, shea oil, and vitamin E as some main ingredients. Love Vacation. And they make perfumes in their cruelty-free brand. If they have more than 3 scents, I have 3 scents. I don't know if that's all of them. Okay, and last on here is by La Roche-Posay, and this is 2 samples of their 60 Face and Body Anthelios Melton Milk Sunscreen with Celox Shield, and this is also water resistant up to 80 minutes. This brand is not cruelty free, and I believe they are owned by L'Oreal, which is also not cruelty free, so it's not a brand that I will use, but I know other people who will use them, so that's good. So there's only 2 products in here. One of them is a double sample, that I'm not going to use and will either gift or give away. But everything else, like, I was really, okay, this was the reason I got it, but it's summertime. This was the second reason, because I love their sunscreen. But I just have a whole summer worth of happiness right in this box. This will get me through. I use sunscreen every day, all day, because I'm fair skinned. I used some this weekend and I still got a little bit of a burn, but just a tiny bit. So, and that was, I kept reapplying it. So I think that was pretty good for the amount of time I was in the sun and even out on a boat at my daughter's school. So yeah, sunscreen is essential. All right, well, let me know your thoughts down below. What would have been your favorite product in there? And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully see you soon.